Good evening, everyone. You are welcome to e-learning class. Today we are going to learn about some of the software that is used to create e-learning content. We are going to consider 10 of them. So by the end of the lesson, we are going to talk about the primary purpose of the 10 software that we are going to learn about. We also learn about their benefits, and we shall also talk about their challenges. So these are the key areas that we are going to consider under this lesson. So we are going to start. We are going to learn about software. So software, application software are the software that is installed into the computer and allow the user to perform specific tasks. And some of the tasks that the software can perform is video creating. Some software allow user to edit video, and that is what we are come to learn. The first thing we talk about is articulate storyline. Now, we say this is one of the software that is used to create e-learning content. And the primary purpose of creating this software is to interact simulations, quizzes, and courses. So that is simulation. Then we also look at the benefit. The benefit we have the user friendly. It is user friendly interface and user friendly interface. We have the robust features and seamless integration with to create other tools. So this application work together with other tools to create very attractive and interactive video. Then the challenge we talk about is what? Steep learning curve for advanced features can be resource intensive. Yes, so what we are doing is steep learning curve. Now steep learning, so it sometimes it becomes very advanced for us to learn because of the features of these apps. Then we look at the next one. The next we are going to talk about is Adobe Captivate. Now, the primary purpose of Adobe Captivate is to create interactive simulation like the articulate video tutorials. So if I want to create video tutorials, I can use this Adobe Captivate to create video tutorials. When you talk of video tutorials, we are talking about, for example, if you want someone to do something and you want a person to know how the thing is about, you want the person to know how to do the thing, you use what is called tutorial, and you can use Adobe Captivate to do these tutorials and responsive e-learning content. You can also use it to create e-learning content. So we use it to create e-learning content. That is the benefit. The next benefits. Now let's look at the benefit. You see that they are powerful features. So it has powerful features. Responsive design. Responsive design allow you to design your video so that you look so attractive and interesting. And integration with Adobe's Creativity Cloud. Yes, they work together with Adobe. It's a collection of Adobe's Creative Cloud. Then challenges, resource intensive is one of the challenges too. It can be expensive. Okay, so this app is very expensive, and it has a learning curve. It also have a learning curve. So we shall move on to the next point, which is point 3. And the point 3, we are going to look at Camtasia. Camtasia. Now, the primary purpose of creating video tutorials and screen recordings. Okay, so the purpose why we have this app is used to create video tutorials and screen recordings. So if you want to record your screen and the video tutorials, you can use this app to do so. Then the benefit, easy to use. It is easy to use. Powerful editing features. It has powerful editing features and great for creating tutorial content. Then let's look at the challenges. We have the hot challenges, limited features compared to more comprehensive e-learning tools. So this app is having limited features. Okay, it's having limited features comparing to other paid tools, e-learning tools. Okay, another e-learning tool consider about is that is the 4th point, that's the H5P. Now the H5P is also a e-learning tool. Okay, we use it to create interactive content such as quizzes. If you want to organize your quiz, you can use this app, to prepare your quiz. Then games, you can use it to create games and simulations. Okay, yes, you can use it to do all these things, creating videos, pictures, and so on. You can use it. Then the benefit, open source. It is open source. You can easily get it. Okay, yes, you can easily get it. The source is open for everyone, so you can get it from many areas. Then free, you don't pay anything before you get it, and it is easy to use. It is also easy to use. So the next one we talk about, that's the 5th one, is the genre. Now the genre, we're talking about the purpose of the genre is to create interactive content such as presentation, intro graphics, infographics, and games.